Bilang lahat ng pumunta today. Maraming salamat for making this special occasion, birthday of my daughter, an even more special one. Maraming salamat sa inyo, and we wish to see you again in the next party. When is the next party? Diba? Pag 7 years old na? Meron din. Yun lang talaga. Yung birthday ni Al, birthday lang yan eh. Pero dahil sa inyo, happy birthday na. So maraming salamat sa afternoon, and God bless you all, and enjoy the rest of the week. Thank you.
Yeah! Thank you very much, sir. Ayan, so yung behalf of McDonald's family pa, nagpapasalamat din po kami kay Mom and Dad, kay Ate Ann. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng guests na pumunta. So naging part po ang McDonald's Eastwood sa first birthday po ni Ann. Maraming salamat po, and God bless. Thank you!